Welcome to Scraper tool. Now we are going into social media scraper tool. Here simplified step for using the social media scraper tool extension in the scraper tool. So now you can see here the add to Chrome, click. Then you can see the Chrome Web Store page, our social media scraper tool. Now you need to click again add to Chrome. Here add to Chrome and add extension. So our tool is downloading. Install the extension, begin the process of browser web store. Now access the extension, click the extension icon in your browser toolbar. So now this is our browser toolbar, and here extension icon, click here. You can see our tool, social media scraper tool. Click here, tag, then you can see here navigation. Our icon now show in navigation. Click here. So now see our tool. Now click here, start free version. So your free version has been started. Now you can see here a lot of option, keyword, location and social media platform. Enter keyword input, specify keyword you want to use for data scraping in the enter keyword. Here AI. Now I am type AI tech. Now we have no need location. If you need location, then you can also enter. Now I can select here social media, this location. If you want, then select the platform from the platform drop down within the tool. Choose the platform you want to scrape the data from in the scraper social media platform. So here the tool, here the drop down of social media. Now we have selected LinkedIn. Now start the scraping process. Click the start button to begin the scraping process. Here the start button, click here. Now process has been started. For monitor progress, keep eye on tool to see status of each profile as it get scraped. So you can see here our tool profile has been started scraping from the LinkedIn platform. Here the phone, email and website means this is the LinkedIn profile URL. This is the name. All data will be downloaded in CSV. For view report, you can track of state of each profile has been scraped. Navigate to report section. This is our report section. Now you can see here also mobile will come and email also come. For download CSV, once scraping process is completed, the tool will automatically download a CSV or Excel file containing the scraped data. Ultimately, you can choose the download also manually. Means you here the also button export CSV. This is for also manually. Now you can see here the all data scraping. Now for now downloading the CSV, you can see here this is the AI tech name of CSV file, and file has been downloaded of all scrap data. By following these steps, you can scrape the social media platform using the social media scraper tool extension. Thank you.